Hello friends. This is the Space Invaders game made by using pygame module in Python. Here we use pygame to display and move the elements. We use mixer module to play the different musics. Let's start the game. This is how the game looks like. It has a cool space background image and has a spaceship at the bottom and enemies are coming from the top. Player try to eliminate the enemy by firing bullets towards it. It will also show the player score at the top left corner. This game has the good background music and bullet firing music. As you eliminate the enemy, your score increases. You can fire many bullets at once. Spaceship can move either left or right and fire bullets simultaneously. Game ends when enemy crashes with the spaceship. A game over message is displayed on the screen when game ends. That's it for today guys. If you enjoyed the video then please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.